This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kim Evans. Major renovation have taken place in this 4-bedroom now 2-bath home in sought-after Aragonia Village minutes from Virginia Beach Town Center. New roof, gutters, and front door. Newly opened living space to kitchen lets lots of natural light in with breakfast bar. New stainless steel appliances to include gas stove. All new cabinets and light fixtures, and ceiling fans. Some new windows. 2 spacious bedroom down and 2 upstairs with a newly added bathroom between the 2 rooms with large walk-in shower. Main bathroom downstairs was previously renovated with tub/shower with additional grab bars and handheld shower head. HVAC recently serviced. Fully fenced backyard. Quiet street. Close to schools, shopping, restaurants and 1 to 264. This one has everything waiting and ready for you to just move in. For more information